To explain very basic topics in C sharp or any programming language you can take, any Python, Java, anything. So here there are five topics that are very basic. You should know it if you are a beginner. Please understand this one, what these all. The first one is the variables. You can see here what variable is. Means in coding, I will declare something. For example, what variable means is that it is something like a container. You are storing something there. Okay. So if you are storing something, that has to be labeled with some variable, some name, right? So that name only we call it as a variable. For example, here you can see string name equal to John. Now name is the variable name. So for that I am assigning John value. So now name, age, these all are the variables. So you are keeping, you think like it is one labeled box. That label name is called variable. So inside that means suppose there is one box, I kept something inside that. So to fetch that or access that, I need something, no, something like that. Here inside name, there is one string, I kept it somewhere in the memory, so I want to access that. Using this name only I'll access it. You can see here console dot write line name equal to, means the name will print here. So something you want to declare something, name, age, you take student, employee, whatever properties are there, when you declare it, that only we call it as a variable. Yeah, hope you understood this, what variable is. It's a simple word. Second one is the data type. Data type, as name indicates, that it is a type of a data you are using it. Suppose I have a employees, in company there is a employees. So employee has a salary, right? Salary will be there in the numbers, right? And name will be there in the string, right? There will be characters. So something like that. If you take a blood group of a employee, that will be there a single character, right? A means A plus, O negative, O positive, those are blood groups characters. So based on that, what type of data you're using, based on that you will be declaring these variables. For example, if it is a age, that will be there in the whole number, right? That you can use it as a int data type. If it is anything something called decimal, so you can take as a double. Then if it is a single character, something like blood group, you take char character. If it is something a name of the employee, take string. And if something is like true or false, something like that, then you take a boolean, something like that. And how you declare that in the coding, this is how it is: int marks equal to something. Now you are assigning a value. If you are not assigning a value, you just do it like int marks equal marks, then just give the semicolon here, that's it. You will not assign it here. Okay, this is what data type. Data means simple way, it's a type of a data. Which type of data I'm using it, based on that I'll declare that variable with that data type. Suppose here int is the data type, marks is a variable, and 95 is the value. I'm assigning that to this marks variable. That's it. Is that simple? And now third one is the operator. It's a very easy one. I think these all you know it, like arithmetic operators like plus, minus, into, division. So these all also we use it. Suppose if you are adding some numbers, or you are dividing with two numbers, any logic you take it, if you are doing any functionality, you are doing some calculation in the coding, some requirement you have. So in that case you use these all operators. Yeah. This is third one, operators. Then the fourth one is the conditional statement. Suppose I want something requirement like with the conditions. Now I have a I have given here the simple example, like if it is a age, any person, the age is greater than 18, he is eligible for voting, right? If it is less than 80, he is not. So something like this, any logic you want to implement in the application or in the coding, so you'll use this if else. And one more else if is there, then you'll add it like else if. There is one more condition if you want to add it. Now I have taken only two, if and else. So this is how you use it. This is called the conditional statements. We use it if else, or you can use else if also. If there are three conditions here instead of two, now greater than 18, voting eligible. If it is less than 18, not eligible, right? If there is one more condition, you can add is like else if inside that. So that is, this is what the conditional statement we use it in any language. It's not only C sharp, any language we use it. The last one is the looping. This is very important. Here I'll just explain it in a very basic way. And in looping, for loop, while loop, there is one more for each. That all I'll separately explain it in separate video. Here I'll say it very basic one. Suppose, what is for loop? Means, suppose there are 1,000 employees and I want to find out who is having more than 50,000 salary. So now I need to check for each employees. Right now I need to filter it out. Who are 1,000 employees that they might have less than 50,000 also, more than 50,000 also, are equal to 50,000 also. Now I need to filter it out and check for each of the employees, and I need to find out that all are employees they are. So in that cases, I use this for loop. I loop through all the employees data. So I'll check it now. Now int I equal to 1, whatever syntax you will see it here, right? For int I equal to 1, I is less than equal to 5, I plus plus. This is what the syntax for loop. Now I equal to 1, I, this you can see I is the index. The whatever, suppose 10 numbers are there, you are looping it through 5, the index will start with a 0, not with a 1. But I'm initializing this here with a 1. The 1 to 5 it will loop, means here it is, it will loop 5 times. First it will be I equal to 1, then it will go to I is less than or equal to 5, means 1 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Then it will go to I plus plus, I less than or equal to 5, then it will come here, 1 will print here. You can see output down here, 1 will print. Now it will go to next. What happens? I plus plus, 1 becomes 2. The loop was like, first it, how it will execute is internally, means first I equal to 1 it will initialize. Now I value is 1. Now it will check 1 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Then it will come inside for loop, then it will print that I console. That right line I means it is printing that I value. Now what is the value of I? 1. It will print 1. Then it will go, the last line you can see I plus plus. I plus plus means it will increment that value. What is the increment of 1? It will be 2. 1 plus 1 it will happen, the plus 1 will happen, then it will become 2. Now it will check again condition, 2 is less than or equal to 5, yes. Again 2 will print. Again plus plus will happen, that increment will happen, 3 will come, 3 is less than or equal to 5, yes, 3 will print. 4 is less than or equal to 5, yes, it will print. 5, it will come to 5, 5 is less than or equal to 5, yes, it will print. Next number it will come 6, 6 is less than or equal to 5, no, right? Then it will come out of this loop, then that cursor will come out of this loop. So now if you are finding out the anything logically, the, for example, I have taken already the salary of the employees, that is how 1,000 times it will loop. Now I is less than or equal to 1,000, I'll keep it here. That is how it will loop. Got it, right? This is for loop. And while loop is something, I have something condition, till that comes it has to execute. Now condition is that first I equal to 1, means I value is 1. Now it has to keep running this loop till I is less than or equal to 5. Till 5 times it will do. One it will one it will output it will show, means it will print 1 2 3 4 5. When it comes 6, then it will not print that. That's how it is. This is the use of the looping. Suppose you have a so much data, I want to filter it out, I want to check something in that. So this is how you use the looping and all. Hope you understood this one. Is very basic, you should know it when you are start to learn any programming language. Hope you understood this one. If you like this one, please like and subscribe this video. Thank you.